Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about one of the best selling string trimmers on Amazon, and that's this Worx 20 volt Power Share 2-in-1 trimmer edger. It's actually the GT 3.0. I bought it to test out and see what everybody is talking about. You read all these reviews, some are good, some are not so good. So I wanted to test it out for myself. So I'm going to talk about some of the features. I'm going to talk about the power, the battery life, and who it would be good for, and whether I would buy it personally. So if you know about the Worx brand, they have the Power Share batteries. So they have, this one comes with two 20 volt batteries and a charger. Just so you know, these batteries do not have the battery indicator on them. Battery life, when we were doing our testing, it was about 20 to 25 minutes. If you read some of the reviews, some people had less amount of time off their battery, some people had a little bit more. But ours averaged about 20-25 minutes for our testing use. And this battery just slips into the slot pretty easily. This has the command feed option, so it actually feeds string. Frankly, I do not know how it works. I tried it, you press the button and nothing happens, and when you have the motor running and then you press it, it stops. So I'm not sure how it works, but we did not run out of string while we were doing our testing. So I'll show you this here. This has a safety button, and then you pull the trigger here. And when you press the command feed, it stops. So this is not a bump feed, it's actually considered an automatic feed. Some nice things about this: straight out of the box, it is very, very lightweight. It has this telescopic shaft here. You can make it longer depending on the height of the user. You could also make it shorter for storing in the back of your car, in your garage. That's pretty nice right there. Again, very lightweight. It has this adjustable handle here, so you can adjust it to your liking. All you do is have to press this button here, and it snaps into place. So it also has an edger feature. So basically, when you're trimming, you can adjust the angle by stepping on this here and pushing down on the shaft. So you can see I kind of did it with my hand there. So when you want to go to edge, you turn it flat. You unlock the shaft here, and all you have to do is rotate like that. Now this is set up for edging, and you can just roll this on the ground and you're ready to edge, just like this. Again, to go back to trimming, all you do is unlock this here. You rotate this, get it to the height you want, and then you lock it again, and then again you have to step on here and pull the shaft up like that. So you can adjust the angle depending on if you're trimming on a hill or an incline or something like that. Out of the box is pretty much ready to go. You had to slide this guard on and put a screw in, and then also these wheels clipped into place. And you can take these wheels off if you want to, just by sliding it off like that, and then you can slide it back on. It also has this flower guard here. With the Power Share, you can use these batteries for many of the Worx different tools. There's blowers, hedge trimmer, there's drills, chainsaw, many different uses for the batteries. So that is a nice feature of the Power Share. It does have this flower guard. I don't like to use these. I actually eye it up where the string is cutting. So I just kind of push that in, but you can, if you prefer that, you can pull that out and use that for trimming against your flowers or any kind of shrubs. These spools are really easy to change out. All you have to do is take the cap off, take the spool out, secure the new line into the spool, and wind it clockwise. Put the line back through the hole, and then you just put the cap back on. So that is a nice feature, because if you're string trimming and you don't know how to change out the line easily, it can become a headache and a hassle, and then you don't want to string trim. But with these type of string trimmers, it is very convenient and easy to change out the line. You can get replacement spools. What I do is I buy replacement line and I just re-spool it myself. Okay, power wise, when I bought this, I thought it was going to be a medium duty, medium power trimmer, but it's actually a light duty. You'll see in the videos, it can cut grass, it can cut weeds, but the thicker the grass and the weeds, it gets caught up a little bit. So, what do I like about this and what don't I like? I do like the battery powered option. You're not dealing with any kind of gas, fumes, oil mixing, anything like that, any type of carburetor cleaning, no pulling rope. Battery powered string trimmers have come a long way, and they are very convenient in that regard. The handle, adjustable handle, the adjustable shaft, the ease of changing it from a trimmer to an edger is some of the things that I like about it. I actually do like it as an edger. I was able to get crisp, clean lines, and the power for edging seemed adequate. Some things I don't prefer about this: to adjust the angle, you need to step on this, bend over, push it down, or pull it up. It's kind of awkward, a little clunky. Also, the way this guard is positioned, if you see that right there, and the wheel, when you're trying to trim, it's just not too conducive to getting a nice free-flowing trimming style. It does feel a little clunky to me, and I do not prefer the way this guard is positioned. My string trimmer that I usually use has a guard right in the back here, but this is all open for easy trimming and being able to see where you're going to trim. So for me, this guard and wheel do seem a little clunky. And again, I do not prefer stepping on this and adjusting the angle. I've done some stringer reviews in the past where you can adjust the head by simply pressing a button and clicking it in different positions. So who would I recommend this for? If you read the reviews and it sounds good to you, and you like the options that it gives you here, and you just need it for light duty use, and you have a smaller yard with grass that's not too thick and weeds that are not too thick, then this could work for you. For me, where I have a couple of acres and I have to trim pasture, fences, and all that kind of stuff, this will not work for me. I need something higher powered and something that will trim and cut faster. So I would not recommend this if you're expecting to use it for medium duty, medium powered, or high powered uses. This is considered a light duty use trimmer. So if you found this review helpful, I hope I answered your questions. Please like and subscribe. I do a lot of string trimmer reviews and power tool reviews and a lot of do-it-yourself kind of projects. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.